Hi, welcome to Mark Water Pumps. My name's David Lewis and I'm the plant manager.
Hi, my name's Nigel Clark and I'm the manufacturing manager.
What we're going to talk to you about today is some of the pumps that we manufacture on site here, and these are in front of me are some of our most popular water pumps that we have. You're probably wondering what happens when a customer sends an order into us. Well, in most cases we have the part in stock, so we can supply the part to the customer within the week. However, there are times when we have to respond to distressed purchases or when there's peaks in some of the orders and we have to make the product or replenish our stocks that have already been taken. So, as I've said previously, we can start the whole process from scratch here, and we take it all the way through from casting right through to machining and assembly. So we start off with raw material, and from that we give the raw material to Nigel, who gives it to his guys in the foundry. And what do they do then, Nigel?
Right, once I receive an order, and obviously we need to manufacture the part, I will look at the bill of material to find out exactly what parts we need to manufacture in-house. As David just said, the process starts with the casting. So if we haven't got the casting, I will advise the setters in the foundry as to what part we require and the quantity. From then they will load the part onto the die casting machine and we'll cast the required quantity that we need. From there, from the foundry, the part will then go out onto the shop floor and have the necessary machining operations done to it. Each part is looked at differently. Some just require the broaching of the main bore, others require machining of the gasket face. If I can just see that sample there, please. So each pump we look at differently.
From there the part will go into the assembly. On the assembly we press the bearing in, we press the seal, we press the hub or pulley on, and then we press either the pressed steel, cast iron or plastic impeller onto the base. From there the pump is checked, and then we have our own test house here which we can either endurance or performance test the pump. Every part that we manufacture here during its assembly process is air tested. So to air test the part, we place it on a pot, we pressurise the internal part here which would seal on the engine, and we pressurise that up to 20 pounds per square inch. Then we have a machine which looks for any decay, any reduction in that pressure. It can then calculate that reduction, that loss of pressure, and put that into cc's per minute. Our maximum leak rate on these products is 7.5 cc's per minute. Some other customers we do for 3.5 cc's per minute. So we know that if we test with air, then we're guaranteed that there's going to be no coolant that leaks out.